Welcome to Illinois State University's Department of Politics and Government, home to the ISU Legal Studies program. My name is Kyla Gizio, and I'm a student at Illinois State, double majoring in legal studies and political science.
I'm Connor Martin, and I'm also double majoring in legal studies and political science. The ISU Legal Studies program offers a number of distinctive opportunities for students.
First, unlike typical college instructors, our professors are legal practitioners, licensed attorneys and judges who bring their real-world experience to the classroom. Their focus on teaching practical skills is one of the many reasons why the program has been approved by the American Bar Association. Less than a third of all legal studies programs nationwide are ABA approved. This credential gives our graduates an advantage in the job market.
Second, the Legal Studies program provides students hands-on legal experience to assist low-income clients to clear their criminal records through an arrest expungement clinic. As part of its commitment to civic engagement, the Legal Studies program is partnering with a legal aid organization to operate the clinics. Now, every student who goes through the Legal Studies program works on a real-life expungement case. Because paralegals may not provide legal services directly to the public, a licensed attorney supervises each student who works in the clinic.
Third, we have an award-winning mock trial team. This is an interscholastic competition in which students play the roles of lawyers and witnesses in a courtroom trial simulation. Mock trial helps develop critical thinking and how to think on your feet. Our team has advanced to the National Opening Round Championship Tournament 10 times in the last 13 years. My plan is to go to law school after I graduate. The skills I learned in the Legal Studies program will help me make that transition to law school.
When I graduate, I plan to work at a law firm as a paralegal and gain valuable legal experience. This will also give me the opportunity to explore whether I want to go to law school and decide what area of law is best for me. Thanks for your interest in our program. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a visit, please contact us at politicsandgovernment@illinoisstate.edu.